Three, two, one.
And welcome to another episode of Bollywood This Week. Friends, the movie we're going to review today is none other than Sai Dharam Tej's movie Winner. Well, frankly speaking and being very honest with you, I have never seen a single movie of Sai Dharam Tej till now. It's been 3 years since he's come into the Telugu industry, obviously belongs to the mega family, but I have never seen his films. He's been highly successful, but somewhat I never felt like going to watch his movies. But friends, yesterday I went and watched Winner, and trust me, friends, it's one of the most entertaining and such an emotional movie I have seen after a very long time. I think after Nanaku Prematu, it deals with the same subject of father and son emotions, and Jagapati Babu and Sai Dharam Tej are a treat to watch together as a father and son. You cry for them, you feel for them. It's such an emotional movie, friends. A movie for every estranged father and son, for every son who has a grudge against his father, for every father who has lost hope and faith in his son, for everyone who has intentions to separate a father and son. Please don't do it. It's the most beautiful bond in the whole world, and Winner is a winner at the box office and a winner for me because the father and son emotions, between Sai Dharam Tej and Jagapati Babu comes out so beautifully on the screen. And in the climax, trust me, friends, aunties, uncles, even the youngsters were seen leaving the theater teary eyed and crying because the climax is so high on emotions, so high on fatherly love that Jagapati Babu has given an award winning performance in the climax. And trust me, this movie will not disappoint you, especially the Telugu film audiences. It is a fantastic movie, friend. Fantastic movie. And to add to the emotion is a fantastic actor called as Sai Dharam Tej. Let me tell you something about him. Sai Dharam Tej has a fabulous screen presence. He has made his audience base. So he has fans. So whatever he's going to offer, the fans will throng the theater. It is running to packed houses, and this guy doesn't disappoint you. Right from working so hard in the Gurram scenes, the scenes where he runs with the horse, you can see this guy's dedication in his acting. In romantic scenes, he is unbeatable. Trust me, and dances very well. Action sequences, entry was crazy. And there is a certain jeep scene where the jeep spins and is on top of a bonnet. Bang on. Who says, for an actor you have to have a six pack and beefy muscles? This guy is pure mass, pure talent, epic. And I saw his fan base yesterday. Trust me, there was a fan club in the theater, and they literally fan worship Sai Dharam Tej. So he's on the right path, and few more movies like Winner, and he will be amongst his esteemed family of Charan, Allu Arjun, and Chiranjeevi Garu. So friends, what is Winner all about, and why am I raving it so much? Winner is a story of Jagapati Babu, a small time, businessman who does small business, but has left his house where his father Mukesh Rishi runs an horse racing company. Mukesh Rishi, goes to horse races, puts bets on, horses which cannot win a race, and is losing a lot of amount of money. His partners tell him to either quit the company or, bring his son to look after the company. Well, the son is not staying with him because he married a girl, and, Mukesh Rishi pushed him out of the house, and that is why he cannot come back. So where is Jagapati Babu? Jagapati Babu lives in a small hill station with a certain Master Charit who plays the younger version of Sai Dharam Tej. Let me tell you, friends, Master Charit is very good in this movie. Very few scenes, but fantastic. The way he says, "I hate you, Nana," that scene is excellent. You can watch this movie for that scene. So friends, Mukesh Rishi, with his villainous intentions, goes to Jagapati Babu and tells Jagapati Babu, "And I made a mistake. Please come back to my family." Obviously, the wife is dead, so Jagapati Babu forgives his father and goes back to his, house and starts running the business. Jagapati Babu gets engrossed in the business and Mukesh Ashi takes advantage of it and wants his son to completely concentrate on the business. So what does he do? He starts behaving very badly with Sai Dharam Tej, the younger version, and tears his report card and fills in a lot of hatred in the heart of Sai Dharam Tej against his father Jagapati Babu. Seeing this one day, Sai Dharam Tej gets very agitated because Jagapati Babu is seen with another woman, and now that day Sai Dharam Tej takes a stone and throws on his father's head. The father comes and slaps Sai Dharam Tej, and that's the time when he starts hating his father. Very emotional scene, friends. Sai Dharam Tej runs from his house, elopes from his house, and goes and starts living another life. 20 years later, we are shown Sai Dharam Tej, runs a newspaper company. Don't go into the details, how did he study and all that. It's a movie, it's cinematic liberty, forget all that. So Sai Dharam Tej starts running a newspaper company and now is the owner of that company. Vanilla Kishore. Vanilla Kishore is a fantastic comedian and finally he's got his due in Telugu industry. After a very minuscule role in Om Namo Venkatesha, he is being seen in a full-fledged role and does full justice to his role. So, his name is Padma in the movie and, works with Sai Dharam Tej. So the story moves forward. One day Sai Dharam Tej and Vanilla Kishore go for covering a page 3 function where they bump into Rakul Preet Singh. Sai Dharam Tej falls over Rakul Preet Singh and clicks the photo of Rakul Preet and puts it on the front page of his newspaper. Rakul Preet comes agitated to the office and tells, "What the hell, what do you think you have done?" Sai Dharam Tej gives Vanilla Kishore's name and he gets slaps. But the next day, friends, Rakul Preet Singh is a sensation. Trust me, I have not seen a much fitter heroine in Telugu industry in my whole life. She is seen fantastically in the movie. Her first scene where she's shown racing, short crop top, small shorts and six packs. Yes, friends, you can see Rakul Preet Singh in a six pack in this movie. She is looking absolutely like a bomb, sweating completely and running over the hurdles. Fantastic. The crowd goes ballistic in the theaters. So she comes and tells her, "My intentions are different. I don't want love at this time. I want a gold medal." So Sai Dharam Tej starts chasing her, proposing her and makes an entry, Prithvi Raj. Prithvi Raj, like Vanilla Kishore, and suddenly, very slowly coming in my favorite category because this guy is crazy. And in this movie, for this 10-minute role, you can go and watch this movie again and again. Prithvi Raj, Man Bhavar Uthe, Tarasagar Uthe, Ke Aave Singham. He is playing Singham like Ajay Devgan did in Hindi. Background music, the Singham mustache, and epic comedy, friends. You have to see this. Prithvi Raj, is a police inspector. Rakul Preet goes and complains to Prithvi Raj that this guy is chasing me. But Sai Dharam Tej with his tricks, charms Prithvi Raj and tells, "Sir, you should love a girl like, Rakul Preet, and why don't you fall in love?" Prithvi Raj falls in love with Rakul Preet Singh and those scenes are fantastically hilarious. Then one day some goons, trouble Rakul Preet in a mall and how Prithvi Raj wants to go and fight them is epic. But our hero Sai Dharam Tej hits Prithvi Raj only, that epic. But friends, Rakul Preet doesn't get convinced for marriage with love also with Sai Dharam Tej. So one day drunk he calls up his father of Rakul Preet Singh and tells that your girl is this, that, blah blah blah. So the father gets so angry and he fixes the marriage of Rakul Preet the next day. Fantastic scene, friends. Rakul Preet is getting married. Vanilla and Sai Dharam Tej go to the wedding hall. Epic scene, epic scene. The crowd claps like hell because in the marriage, Rakul Preet is sitting there and enters Jagapati Babu with his son Anup Singh Thakur. Yes, friends, the villain of Singham 3, the future Bollywood baddie, Mr. World, Instagram sensation Anup Singh Thakur, beefy body, enters and Jagapati tells that this is my son and he will marry you. You don't know me. I am Reddy. I'm the biggest honcho of horse racing in the whole of Andhra. You don't know me. Well, that's when Sai Dharam Tej gets the shock of his life that when he is the son of Jagapati Babu, how the hell did Anup Singh Thakur become, his son? The interval point is crazy. Rakul Preet Singh throws the dice in middle and tells she needs 1 week time for the race. So she plays a game. She tells her father and Jagapati that we will do a horse racing scene, horse race between Anup Singh Thakur and Sai Dharam Tej. Whoever wins will marry Rakul Preet. She plays smart and the family agrees. After interval, you're gonna think, oh, same old story. He'll come back. He'll do this, blah 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 blah. But the second half of this movie is cracker, epic. Sai Dharam Tej proves that he is a mass boy, man. Epic mass boy. The dialogues, Sai Dharam Tej, comes to know from Mukesh Rishi's assistant that he is the real son of Jagapati Babu, and Mukesh Rishi knows it. But he hired a certain Anup Singh Rathod, to marry Rakul Preet to get all the money from them and told Jagapati that is his real son. So Sai Dharam Tej comes to know this, and the scene where he goes and confronts them, in the horse yard, and original Reddy, epic scene, friends. The fight is crazy. So how does Sai Dharam Tej win over Rakul Preet Singh? He takes her to the race and from eloping her from the house, literally kidnapping her, by chloroform. He wins the race, and this beautiful song comes in. Sitara, Sitara, oh Sitara. Fabulous song, friends. The song in this movie are fabulous. Full marks to S. Thamam. Beautiful songs. So, friends, what is going to happen in the climax? Epic scene, but where are the father and son emotion? Well, friends, when Jagapati Babu, starts training, our hero Sai Dharam Tej for his horse racing. And when Sai Dharam Tej, goes and meets his father, they have candy floss, they sit in the horse yard, epic scene. And this scene, Bajrang Bali song, where, our father of the hero, Jagapati Babu, sits behind him on the bike and keeps the hand on his shoulder. It will leave you in tears, epic emotions. So friends, what happens in the end? The climax race between Sai Dharam Tej and our Anup Singh Thakur. For that you have to go and see the movie Winner. It is an absolute winner. So friends, what are the plus points of this movie? The plus point of this movie for me, number one will be Sujata Singham, played by Prithvi Raj. He's epic, but in the second half enters Mr. Ali. Sai Dharam Tej wants a coach, horse coach, and so Peter Hine, I don't know how he is allowed to take his name, for this movie. Peter Hine has been killed, the action director, and Ali, golden hair, blue hair. Rakul Preet tells, cut your hair. Then, he comes as a fake coach. Ali is not a coach. He, gives horse rides to kids for 10 rupees at the Vizag beach. Mukesh Rishi hires, just to fool Sai Dharam Tej so he doesn't win the race. So that character of Ali, of Peter Hine, is fabulous. Anup Singh is epic. His body, his climax fight is crazy. Watch his entry scene where he wins a race is epic. Jagapati Babu's starting emotions with the son, and in the middle is cracker Rakul Preet's six pack. Don't miss that scene, it's crazy. The start scene, the entry of Dharam Tej in a horse yard when certain youngsters in Hyderabad play a betting game, and how he fights them. Crazy. You have Dollarana of Hyderabad Nawabs also. He's crazy in that scene. The Sitara song, the BC Central song is fantastic. Item number. There's another item number by Anushya Bharadwaj. The song name is Suya Suya. That is also very nice. Original Reddy, the confrontation dialogue scene, fabulous scene. The interval point is killer. The climax is epic. I can give you 100 reasons why to watch this movie. The Vanilla Kishore comedy angle, and the way Dharam Tej acts so innocent in front of Raghavdi Babu, and how the emotions come out make Winner a winner at the box office. So friends, who are all in the movie? Let's see about the performances. Sai Dharam Tej, fabulous, fantastic. I'm going to see each and every movie of this guy from now. Trust me. Rakul Preet, seriously, you are like a goal for every girl, every woman. Six packs are amazing. Jagapati Babu, suave man. Apna, Desi George Clooney, epic. He's looking fantastic. Thakur Anup Singh, brilliant. He's mouthing his own dialogues, but the dubbing is by somebody else. But he's mouthing perfect Telugu dialogues. First time I've seen a Telugu villain mouthing perfect dialogues. Fantastic body, blue lenses, epic screen presence. Mukesh Rishi, great as ever. Vanilla Kishore, very good job, bro. Very nice in the movie. Prithvi Raj as the Singham, is fabulous in the movie. Anushya's item number is good in the movie. Songs by S. Thamam is fantastic. Full marks to Velikonda Srinivas for writing a fantastic story. The cinematography by Chota K. Naidu is epic. The race sequences, how the horse runs, his GoPro cameras, his Master Jimmy Jib camera is fantastic. The edit by Gautam Raju is epic. Full marks to Gopichand Malineni. He was the only reason why I went to watch this movie because I'm a fan of his movies. His previous movies with Ravi Teja, Balpu, Don, fantastic. Producers Nalamala Bujji and Tagore Madhu. Have put in a lot of money in the movie. Writing by Aburi Ravi is fantastic. All in all, the father-son emotions and fantastic race sequences of the horse make winner 1, 2, 3, 4 stars, and it's a sure shot winner at the box office. So friends, if you like the review of Winner, please like and subscribe to our channel to get reviews of Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam movies and English movie reviews in Hindi every Friday, first day, first show. So friends, this is me Amir Ansari signing off. See you next week.